That's so. No back in my this thing, though. This one is happening live, guys. Somebody came to First Bank to withdraw money, and the ATM machine seized her card. The same bank of First Bank card. First Bank ATM seized her card. Then she was asked to go back and come back on Monday to take her ATM card. Immediately she left. Not up to 30 minutes, 1 hour. Bank started debiting her. This shows that her bank is guilty of this. Guys, share this video out. This one is happening live. Madam, stand up now. Orube like this.
Hi guys, it's your girl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to comment below. Turn up the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you will be the first to be alerted. But guys, don't forget to share the video. I bring out what is happening on social media. I bring it here for us to watch. So guys, I want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers, and for those that do support me, I want to say may the Lord Almighty bless you all for supporting me. I love you all. See you next on my next video. Bye bye.
That's so. No back in my this thing, though. This one is happening live, guys. Somebody came to First Bank to withdraw money, and the ATM machine seized her card. The same bank of First Bank card. First Bank ATM seized her card. Then she was asked to go back and come back on Monday to take her ATM card. Immediately she left. Not up to 30 minutes, 1 hour. Bank started debiting her. This shows that her bank is guilty of this. Guys, share this video out. This one is happening live. Madam, stand up now. Orube like this. You don't become a bank. You don't let them cry. Hey, hold yourself. Your back is away. About 2,400 naira is okay. Calm down. I get dressed here. 240 something thousand.
Relax.
Stand up. You tell me that like this now. What is 240 now? Don't worry. I can help you. Stand up, madam. Stand up. Sorry. Sorry, Ebesina. Okay, helpful. It will not get lost, trust me. You see today? Just now. They are still doing it inside the back now. This is wrong. BOS. That means that BOS is inside this bank. I wear POS on the ATM card, yeah, to come and withdraw money. She inserted her POS. ATM card sees her ATM machine sees her card. Then she was asked to go back and come back on Monday. They are still they're doing it inside now. First Bank native. It is obvious. First Bank native. Fraudulent bank. On a block along the First Bank in the CEO here. Has to with her 240,000 naira.
Finish the money.
OPS stage where?
Also, you know, na good, something like that.
Oh, you know, Nazu. Hello. They swapped her card. Now I understand what is happening.
No, you're not videoing me.
No, but I'm taking her video. Mind your business. Madam, calm down now. Yeah, now we can buy your bank. It's not bank. Or somebody. That person that wanted to help you. beg go.
Call your card. Oh, you back on the number. Oh, what number is the number?
See, Obro Bank here. All that guy looking at Zoo that calculated your PIN code. He swapped your card and the security Maya. This is suspicious, so the whole issue is complicating. Him and the security, do you know them? Hello, Yeko. Jesus Christ. It's suspicious, man. Open him at the person in the hey, don't tell me that. They must provide them. Have you asked them and they don't know those people? Hey, I don't know the person. I want the person, the security man. Or my the person, it can be traced. Before you judge one month. I'm around you. Now First Bank, Gina Carlos, First Bank. POS, just now. They should trace that POS. The person can around. Nah, this thing is disheartening, man. Block your account. Block your account. That star something. Let me check the ATM.
So you can block your ATM. Let's block that ATM.
And today is Saturday.
I've already withdrawn the last 3,000.
Okay, they don't withdraw the last month.
I'll give it to you, man.
You see all of them. People go I even carry all of them, they go gather. Everybody, when they look at them, just now, another person will use that particular machine. The card are you the show that's are you very, very sure? Because if you want to take it possible, now we get back to that.
Gaga pull your ATM card, it's not possible. Maybe that guy is swamp pro that thing.
As far as the slot, get the shot not throw there. I'm not getting on another person will use that same machine. Slot okay the app. That means somebody pick here from behind. Do you understand? Calm down. You know, Monday morning, come here and lodge the complaint.
Monday is so far, today is Saturday. They should start doing something immediately. They should call the bank, because the guy that withdrew the money is still in the town. This thing happened just now. It can be traced now. Waiting till Monday is too far.
What property did they have?
It was withdrawn by ATM. Sorry, POS. POS withdrawal. The person know we did now. They should rush that. All that bank they should rush that POS.
Somebody can take it. My friend, come on here. Who can't talk to that one? Your fellow woman being
What is he saying? Give me an
Person don't they complain about something you don't you say go for sure. For sure go away.
Calm down, calm down, calm down. Okay. Come on, I tell you to come on.
This thing just happened and security. I mentioned this is suspicious. Monday is Sufa, they should start tackling this thing right now.
As long as that's another person use
ATM card.
That means somebody on here a minute this thing.
Oh, that's what I'm saying.
And there's so many POS in Tureba. How can you track the name now? That Paycom or not? That Paycom was the POS. But to track it now, gathering is very hard.
Monday.
No.
This one.
ATM go use somebody picked it from the ATM machine. Somebody should pick from the machine. Because some confirm on that another person use the same machine. That's me. You don't know.
On the bank, man.
Bank, just 2 boys. They have what they use.
Exactly. They swamped the card. It's possible they swamped the card.
It's possible they swap.
Of course. The person wanted to help her.
Not on an email. A bank when you don't know what you're talking about. Not see the card, the anime machine. Machine has one. Don't say what you don't know. Somebody else they use all the machine here. The very short that when you have a new business, that means all somebody now on ATM, department, they going to work for them. When the same person uses the other, because somebody work there and the person will move back. Maybe you got
They should arrest anybody involved. Can't confess and quote the truth. 200 and something thousand. Oh, nobody helped you, madam. Let me understand. Nobody helped you. Abba, I thought somebody wanted to help her. It's obvious. It is obvious.
That was those boys as well for the card.
Maybe that was why we are talking now.
What the hell? This side. Nobody helped her. You don't know what the process of
Madam, calm down. It can be traced. On a bank, you don't want to help. Otherwise, it can be traced. Open at the place that the card can only make bank. That means all banks on their back in the mail.
I think this bank was even invented of cards. How to retrieve. Let them check. They need to walk. They need to walk. I check here. They check. No card.
Checking that card now should be on Monday.
Let them check because I believe that was the card they should record some. My uncle actually will go before. Only ATM, POS as well. Near the same bank. Yeah, we are a lot of not 2 days. Before we do a lot. Yeah, I'm saying.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully